Hello, how to evaluate this with our calculator? This is 3 power 15 minus 3 power 11. So this is 15. I can express this 15 here as summation of 10 and 5. So we'll have 3 power 10 plus 5 minus 3 power, this is 11. I will express it as 10 plus 1. So if you have a power x plus y equals a power x times a power y. Applying this right here, I have 3 power 10 times 3 power 5 minus 3 power 10 times 3 power 1. So this 3 power 10, this 3 power 10, I can factor that out. I have 3 power 10 times, this divides 3 power 10. I have 3 power 5 minus, this divides 3 power 10. I have 3. So right now, what I'm going to do will be to find out the value of 3 power 5. I have 3 power 10 equals 3 power 5 is 243. You have minus 3. And this will give us 3 power 10 times 243 minus 3, that is 240. So we need to multiply this out. We have 3 power 10 times 240. So I can express this as 3 power 5 times 2 times 240. And remember, you have a power x times y equals a power x or power y. So that means you will have 3 power 5 to the power of 2 times 240. And this simply means that we are going to have 3 power 5 is simply 3 times 3 times 3 times 3 times 3 to the power of 2 times 240. So this is what 243 power 2 times 240. We need to square this. That is 243 times 243. So 3 times 3, that is 9. 3 times 4, 12, 2 carry over 1. 3 times 2, 6 plus 1, 7. 4 times 3, 12, 2 carry over 1. 4 times 4, 16 plus 1. 17 carry over 1. 4 times 2, 8 plus 1, 9. We proceed to 2. 2 times 3, 6. 2 times 4, 8. 2 times 2, 4. We add up 9. 4 days is 20. 0, 2 add over here. 19. This is 594.9. That is 243 power 2. So that means I will have this 594.9 times 240. When I multiply this out, I will have my final answer. So what am I going to do? Let's multiply it out using the normal method. 594.9 to 40. So we start with 0. 0 times 9, we have 0. 0 times 4, we have 0. 0 times 0 again. 0. 0 times 9. 0. 0 times 5, we have 0. Let's proceed to 4. 4 times 9, 36. 6 carry over 2. 4 times 4, 16 plus 9 plus 3, that is 19. 9 carry over 1. 4 times 0, 0, 0 plus 1, we have 1. 4 times 9 again, 36. So we have 6 and carry over 3. 4 times 5, that is 20. 20 plus 3, we have 23. Now we consider 2. 2 times 9, that is 18. So we have 8 and carry over 1. 2 times 4, 8 plus 1, 9. 2 times 0, 0. 2 times 9, 18. 8 carry over 1. 2 times 5, 10 plus 1, 11. We add up. This 0, we bring it down here. This 6 plus 0, we bring it down here. This is 17. 7 carry over 1 add here. 11, 1 carry over 1 add here. So this is 3 plus 8, 11, 1 carry over 1 add here. 3 plus 1, that is 4, and this is 1. So this becomes our answer for 3 power 15 minus 3 power 11. This equals this. We have 1417160. 14,171,760. And we have achieved this without a calculator. So here is it. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and drop a comment on the comment box. Thank you and goodbye. See you guys in our next video.